Hey guys, today I'll teach you how to get a modded version of Hi-Seas Hero for iOS and Android with unlimited resources. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do is go to hexmods.com. The site's a little glitchy right now, so you're going to have to turn your phone into landscape mode. But anyway, once you're on the site, guys, what we're going to do is go to the search bar and type in Hi-Seas Hero, and we should see our Hi-Seas Hero mod. So go ahead and press on it and then press the down. Before it downloads, guys, there is going to be a verification. This is where we got to download some apps and complete the instructions there. 100% for free, and they're from the official app store. So I'm going to walk you guys through the process and show you exactly how to do it. So let's wait for this to download here. And as you can see, we are now at the verification page. It tells us we need to do 2 tasks, which are these apps from the app store. We need to download them. Now, they're going to be around 4 apps to pick from. You just press tap to install, it'll bring you to the app store, and bear in mind, guys, there's going to be dictions for each app. So one app might say run for 30 seconds, but then another one, you got to reach level 10. I did the Family Island one where you got to reach level 10. It's pretty easy, so I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe if you guys want to get a Hi-Seas Hero modded version, guys. This is fully working and it's super cool, so I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Just complete the dumb verification. It's pretty easy. It's a one-time process for a lifetime of unlimited resources. So I'm going to see you guys later. Be sure to tell all your friends about it because this is super cool and it totally works. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm really excited about this opportunity. I've been a Hi-Seas Hero aficionado for quite a while, but unfortunately, you know, it's not the cheapest game, but as long as I do the verification, I'll get the mod. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if you're interested, be sure to tell your friends about the method. I'll see you later, and peace out, bro.